Hi guys, welcome to the Dollar Tree. You're not gonna guess what I'm looking at, guys. All of the school stuff is out. Yes. Okay, so let's take a look at what they have, guys. So here we have the Type-C USB cord in that rainbow color, in that blue and the white and the black. I'm sure they come in other colors too back here, but that's pretty neat that they're in rainbow. And also the earbuds. So then we have the regular earbud colors, and then here we have the ballpoint pens. These are pretty neat, guys, so these are new. On the other, one side is the stylus, one side is the pen, but the actual style is new. And those come in multicolor. Then they have the tempered glass for the iPhones, for the phones, right here. And what am I looking at here? Okay, more of the pens. And then we have some of the chargers for the car. There are the USB cords, the charge cords, and then these are the round rings that go behind the phone. And here's some more of the rainbow cords, and here are the telephone holders. These are pretty neat colors, guys. These are neon colors. And then here are the cases to carry your accessories. That's pretty neat. What's this? And then this is a mirror, guys. This is a swivel mirror for the back of your phone. Pretty cool. So then if we come over here, guys, look at the stuff they have. So they have an 8-pack now instead of a 4-pack. They have an 8-pack of the glue sticks. Here are the crayons. Then we have a whole slew of this of the glue sticks, guys. I can't believe this stuff is out already. Okay, on the bottom here is all your number 2 pencils by Jot, and they're a 24-pack. A 24-pack, that's pretty good for $1. Then you have your highlighters. So these are pretty nice. So you have the multicolor over here, and then the regular yellow here, and then here are your binders, guys. I can't believe this stuff is out. So you have all these colors along the bottom. Then you have these different designs along here. Then here you have your book bins. And look at the pretty pastel colors they have. Then over here, guys, you have your activity trays and these colors. They're beautiful, guys. Up here you have your loose leaf paper. So you get 200 sheets for $1. That's not bad, guys. It's not bad at all. Then you have your Elmer's glue. Wow. Okay. Then some more paper. Then over here you have your dry erase boards. So these are pretty neat, and they come with the marker, and they come in all these colors. Then you have these little cubbies right here. I don't know what you call these, but I always call them little cubbies. So you have them in all these colors here. Okay. And then you have your storage trays, and those are also in multicolor, guys. So then here you have storage containers. I like these. How nice they are. So they have these big ones here, and those come in multicolor. Then you have your pencil cases. This one says shine bright. Let me see. Let's start over here. This one says magic. Isn't that pretty? So this is magic, and then the purple one says smile. Okay. And then this color over here says favorite things. And the pink one says shine bright. And then these guys are the plain ones. But they all come in all these colors right here. Isn't that awesome, guys? Some of these cleaning supplies, and they're antibacterial and paper towels. They have the Bounty Essentials over here. We have some of these bind. Look how pretty this soft binder is. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so we have this the Post-it notes. I guess I got happy too quick. I mean, I guess I showed you too quickly. I thought that was the end of the school stuff. That's just the beginning. This is the other side of this aisle. Okay, so here, okay, so I show you the loose leaf paper, and then you have 2 of these tab dividers. I'm sorry, the tab dividers, a 10-pack. Okay, and then you have the page or the sheet protectors right here. And then you have the calendar. Isn't this cute? You put this inside of your loose leaf, your binder notebook. So they have that. Then they have the soft binders right here in all these colors. Look how pretty that one is right there. Some of them have designs, some of them are plain. Let me see, I can't pull these out, but I'll try to show you. They have that pattern. Then they have this one here. This is a sloth, guys, back there. Let's see. This one says powwow. And then the rest of them are plain. And then here are your binders. Okay, so then over here, yeah, these are more binders. What are these? More binders. Okay, then you have your portfolios. Okay, your 2 pocket folders. And then you have your composition notebooks. And they have that kind. They have this kind. I think I see a really, and I think this have that kind. And the girl vibes down there. Here's Mickey Mouse and his trolls. Aren't they cute, guys? Here are the dinosaurs. Mickey Mouse. The regular plain ones. The index cards right down here. And here's the student planner. Guys, I like the student planner. Okay, and then you have some more portfolios here. And you have some manuscript tablet. And what else? Some more of these calendars right here, some more loose leaf paper. Here's some pencil. What do they call? Zipper binders. And then look at the cute little pencil pouches, guys. That is so adorable. Look. That is so nice. Then you have these. Aren't they adorable, guys? Look at these. So that one is Bumblebee. This one is Hero Time. That one is Woody. And then that one is My Little Pony. And look at this cute dog. Oh, how cute. Okay, there's the cat. Let's see what else they have. They have the little dog back here. And then you have another cat back there. And then here are the polka dot ones. And they come in blue, green, yellow, pink. Wow, guys, look at that. They brought the cotton stems out. Aren't they beautiful? Yep, they brought out all the fall stuff, guys. Beautiful. And then down here, guys, look at it. Oh my God, happy harvest already. Look at these. So these are the little tiny succulents. Look, they have, it seems like they have a bigger variety now. Then they have this sign is already out. They're already starting. And then they have these out. So this one has the sunflower, this one has the owl, and I'm not sure what other kind they have. Like, I never seen this one right here. What is this one? This one says bittersweet. This is called bittersweet. And then these are really pretty too, guys. And these are called mini, wow, I can't get to the tag. Let's see, that one's called Mini Mums. And then those are the sunflowers. Here they are in the burlap. And they also come in this orange. Isn't that a beautiful burlap color? And then these are really pretty, guys. I don't think I remember this last year. So this is ginkgo leaves. I never seen these, guys. Have you? Ginkgo leaves. If I'm saying that right, guys. And they have some more of these. Very pretty. Very pretty, guys. Look at this one. I don't think I've ever seen that one. Okay. So let's go see what else is new in the store, guys. They have some of these basket bags in the fall. Yep, they say Happy Harvest on them. That's pretty neat, guys. So here you have, these are the plasticware that they came out with. It's a small section here, guys, so they don't have very much. Okay, and then this is the last of stuff they're selling for 4th of July. So they have the scarves. Look how pretty the scarves are, guys. They have the flag one, they have this one, and then they have this one over here. These are new. Then those are the lays, and these are the socks, guys. Aren't they adorable? And the little mini glasses. Here's another kind of scarf. So they're the flip-flops. This is the last of the summer and the 4th of July stuff, guys. Okay, you have your Niagara water, your Nestle water, the one flavored with lemon, and all of your chips. And these are all name brand, guys. These are all Y's. The honey barbecue, the regular ones, the cheese doodles, the ridges, and the Chex Mix along the bottom. Look at these sun catchers. So this one is shaped like a moon, and this one like a star. Okay, then you have the little post-it notes and the coffee time. So if we may as well jump right into the stationery, guys. So you have the cello, the multicolor. These are gel pens, no, ballpoint pens. Then you have the cello smooth, the regular black ones. And here are the ballpoint pens. Okay, then you have these clicks, maximum value. So you get like 8 pens in a pack, and you get them in blue and black. Then you have these here, which are multicolor, guys, and we're pretty full in that. And I think those are felt tip pens. And then you have here the roller ball pens, and then here the Forma ballpoint pens. Okay, so then here are the mechanical pencils, okay, and the ink. And then look at these, guys. Aren't these, I love these. These are so cute, aren't they? They're like wood grain. So you get 5 in the pack. And then you get this kind back here. Aren't these pretty? These are 4 in a pack. Okay, guys, and then you have these gel pens. And then you have these side clicks, multicolor, and then you have these pens, your Bic. So you do have name brand pens in here, guys. So the big pens, and then you have the Jot ballpoint pens in blue and in black. And these are the mechanical pencil refills. This is the ink Forma, the 3 ballpoint pens. Then you have the scented ones. That's my ink. Then you have the retractable pens there, and these look new. These are gel pens, and then these look new too. The Dual FX. Then the erasable highlighters, that's pretty neat. I never seen that before. Then the gel pens. So here you have some more gel pens, and here you have the multicolor gel pens. So guys, they have these books right here. I'm absolutely loving these. Aren't these cute? This is This Girl Won't Stop. Strong is the New Pretty. Little but Fierce. I love these. Aren't they cute, guys? I love the iridescent. And then they have these. Follow Your Rainbow. This looks like the zodiac signs. Gemini, Taurus, Cancer. Okay, so it says follow your daydreamer. Follow your dreams. Daydreamer. I think that's all I see so far. So then over here, these are just notebooks, guys. So then here you have your mechanical pencils, and then you have them in the multicolor, and there's some more black pens there. These is an 8-pack of the Jot neon color pencils, and then here are some more mechanical pencils. Here's the multicolor pencils, and these two, aren't they pretty, guys? And then you have some colored pencils there. These are the number 2 pencils here. These are cute, these mechanical pencils. And you have some more of those. Then look at this book down here. It says Be Bold. That's pretty neat, guys. I like those. So that's pretty neat. Then here you have some iridescent pencils. And look, they already have the fall pencils out, guys. These have the bear, the owl, the fox, and the deer. Those are so cute. And then over here you have, what is that, the skulls. Then you have these hieroglyphic ones, and they go all the way to the back, guys. Then you have some more of these. So you got tons of designer pencils, guys. Pencils. Then you have these. These are the graphite pencils. That's pretty neat, guys. Then you have the markers. This is the ultra fine ones, and that's by ProMarks. Then you have these soft script. And then you have these. Who remembers these? You push down on the color pen ink you want. That's pretty cute. So then you have these ballpoint pens, these highlighters, and then you have the multi-pack right here by Jot. So these are gel pens. Okay, here are I like that idea, the erasable highlighters. I gotta try that. So here's some more highlighters, guys, and here's some bingo markers. Isn't that cute? So then they have the glitter markers, which I didn't even know they had glitter markers, and then they have the correction pen. And then here are the dry erase markers. That's pretty cute. And then look at this. Isn't this, oh, look at that. They even have the breast cancer awareness stuff out. Wow, that's pretty nice. So if you can, get it early. And these are like your notepads, and these do not have the magnets in the back. Then here are the 4-pack of the little spiral notebooks. You can carry these in your bag. Then here's some more of those pens with the interchangeable ink. And here is a dry erase marker. Here's another 4-pack of those notepads, and then here is the lined paper and the spiral notebooks. So then down here, guys, look how cute. I'm very busy. That's so funny. So then these little journals, aren't they cute, guys? They're hardcover. Very nice. Then they have this one here. Very nice, guys. And then over here you have some more. This one says "You got this." I like that. I don't want to knock these down, guys. So they have all of these kinds of little notebooks and little spiral pads. And down here they have some zipper pouches for you to carry your, your pencils and pens. Look at this one. And then they have the little pencil pouches. Look at this dog one. Isn't this cute? And then I'm liking this one. Isn't that pretty, guys? You can carry that in your bag. Write some little notes. They have the butterfly one right here. And then along here, guys, they have some stickers. I like those. Those are really cute. Okay. You have your poster boards and your color you have your foam boards and then your color boards. Then you have some more of these sticky pads over here. Look at this one. This one says America the Beautiful. That's cute. Some more of these markers. Okay, and look at these multi-pack of markers, guys. Then you have some glitter paper and this regular poster boards in these colors. Then you come over here and you're gonna have your folders, guys. Look at that. That's pretty cool. These over here have the zippers. The slide top over here you can close, and then you get 2 portfolios for $1. Then you have your clipboards down there, some rubber bands, and here's some planner stickers, guys. This is really good if you have a planner book. Okay, all different kind. Then you have the washi tape. Let's look at the washi tape. So, nope, they only have like the same one. Then you have these letter stickers. So they have the green. I like these. Aren't they cute? It's like a 3-pack, gemstones and all kinds of stickers on there. And then you have the cutouts. And here are the color heart stickers. Here, look at that. These have the googly eyes. They're so cute. Those are the dinosaurs, the animals. That's so pretty, guys. And the laser cut stickers and the poofy stickers. Very beautiful. So guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree just to walk through, and I'll see you in the next video.